Hey, welcome back to another video. This is Rich, and today I'm going to show you how to connect your custom domain name to your ClickFunnels account, and specifically connecting it to a specific funnel. If you want to use my affiliate link to purchase a domain name, you can go to richtoymedia.com/Namecheap, and I'll have that link below in the description. And basically you'll just come over to Namecheap and create an account. If you don't already have one, you may already have an account. It's pretty simple. Just put in your information and log in. And from there, once you've created an account, you can just go to domain name search and search for a domain if you don't already have one purchased. So let's just look for a domain name. We'll just do funnelhacks2027.com. See if that's available, and it is available. So for $888 a year for the first year, I can get that. It's $1098 every year after that. So I'm just going to go ahead and add that. I already have one in the cart. So once I've added that, you can increase the amount of years if you want. But what I usually do is I just go ahead and turn on auto renew, and that way you don't have to worry about losing that domain name if you forget to renew it. As long as you have a valid credit card on file, that will automatically get renewed. And you also want to turn on WhoisGuard, enable that, and auto renew. That's free forever. I think that's something new that Namecheap just started doing within the last year or so. You used to have to pay for that. And basically what WhoisGuard does is it hides your personal information from a domain name Whois search. So you can do a quick Google search for the word Whois, and you'll see that the first result is an ican.org site. So we'll go over there. Basically, if someone does a Whois search on your domain, they can see the personal information that you used to register that domain. So we'll go ahead and check on one of my domains. richtoymedia.com. So now I do have WhoisGuard turned on. If I didn't have WhoisGuard turned on, this admin contact, registrant contact, this would all be my name, my business name, my mailing address, phone number, fax number, I don't know who has fax anymore, and my email address. So all of this would be some pretty detailed information on how to contact me. So because Namecheap offers free WhoisGuard, all of this is replaced with Namecheap's information, which is something that you definitely want turned on. We're not going to mess with premium DNS right now. There are some other options you can look at, but for now, we're just going to confirm our order, and we can just double check everything and pay now if you're ready to do that. So from there, we'll go to the dashboard, and I'm going to just hop into my dashboard where I already have some domain names that I've purchased, and we'll just go ahead and work with this trafficsecretsfree.com domain name as an example. So I'll have a website up for this shortly, the new Traffic Secrets book. So we'll just go through some of this information just to let you know a brief overview of what all of this means. This is just showing that the status of this domain is active, and my WhoisGuard protection is on, and auto renew is on for both. Again, I don't have premium DNS services. I don't need that. Name servers, you want just to have that as Namecheap basic DNS. If for some reason you already had a domain name that was registered to a previous website and you had some different name servers in here, you just want to come up here and select the basic DNS, because without that selected, what we're going to go to next up here in the advanced DNS would not be available. So you can't change the advanced settings if you're not using the basic name servers. So while that's refreshing, You can redirect domains here. We're not going to need that for this tutorial. You can redirect email. This is where you would set up your G Suite account if you're linking a G Suite email account to Namecheap. And Namecheap has probably the easiest integration with G Suite that I have seen. You can just add your forwarder. We won't get into this, but it's literally just a couple clicks. You tell it that you're using Gmail. I believe over on the advanced tab is where you'll tell it that you're using a G Suite account. But it's very simple. I'll show you that in another video. So we'll go over to the advanced DNS tab, and this is where we're actually going to do the work of setting up our redirect. So when someone goes to trafficsecretsfree.com, they would be going to my ClickFunnel. So basically all I want to do is add a new record, and I want to add a CNAME record. So under host, you just want to type the subdomain that would be associated with what someone would be typing in. So we're just going to use www, because when someone types in www.trafficsecretsfree.com, we want them to end up at our ClickFunnel page. And for the target, we're just going to paste in this dummy URL. So it's actually not an accurate URL, it's just target.clickfunnels.com. But this would represent whatever your ClickFunnel page is that you want this domain name to arrive at. So when someone types in www.trafficsecretsfree.com, they would end up at this ClickFunnel page. And we'll just leave our TTL as automatic. And I'm going to get an error when I save the changes here. Oh, it actually took it that time. I've done it before using a bogus name, and it gives me an error, but looks like it took it fine that time. So that's basically all you have to do to set up your new domain in ClickFunnels through Namecheap. It's super easy. I know ClickFunnels offers a free domain with your account, and if you want to go that route, that's fine. I typically like to have my domain names registered elsewhere other than the place that's hosting my website, just so things are separated. If I ever decide to go a different route or use this domain name for something different, I don't have to try to go through the process of transferring that domain name away from ClickFunnels or Squarespace or whatever other service that you may be using that offers those free domain names with registration. I just try and do it for myself. I really like Namecheap. It's been the best deal with the best features that I've found. So I typically just go to Namecheap, pay the $8 to $10 a month for a domain name. It's really easy to get set up. And I hope you found this video helpful, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.